Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about how dividends pay my electric utility bill. Do you ever ask yourself, how much do I pay for electricity each month? Whatever the answer is, you probably wouldn't mind having a lower electric bill. The good news is that there's a simple way to reduce your electricity cost and even eliminate it. For example, I invest in high dividend stocks that pay monthly and quarterly income, which I use to pay my electric bill. One of those stocks is Duke Energy, which pays $1 per share quarterly. In my case, I bought 24 shares. This covers my complete bill. Now, there's no need to sit around in a bad mood. If your electricity bill is high, get started right away and do something about it. One of the easiest ways to save money on electricity is to run your appliances at night. Why? Because when everyone's awake using their stuff during the daytime hours, utility companies tend to charge more during those peak times. Rates are usually significantly lower during off-peak night hours, and we want to take advantage of that. Now, my electricity bill is only $8 a month because I took additional steps. I purchased the Tesla solar panels, which helped me save thousands of dollars. I saw they had good reviews, so I went ahead and ordered and had them installed. Now, so far, I have only had a good experience with them. I'm going to add a link in the description just in case anyone's interested. Now, there are 6 steps to help you reduce your electricity bill. 1. Adjust your home temperature. 2. Replace AC filters every 3 months. 3. Pay attention to your washer and your dryer. 4. Answer your electric. 4. Lower your electric bill in the kitchen. 5. Insulate your home. 6. Add solar fans on your roof. What home appliances use the most electricity in your home? Heating and cooling uses 45 to 50%. Water heater uses 10 to 12%. And lighting, 9 to 12%. Hope this information helps you lower or eliminate your electricity bill like I have. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on how to save money.